Coastal Hire presents your DIY tip of the week. What good is a door or window if not properly sealed? Here's a tip on how to get the job done right. You will need a tape measure, self-adhesive weather strips, a pencil for marking, a pair of scissors, soapy water, and clean rags. First, clean the area to remove dust or dirt. Then, measure and cut the weather strips to fit inside the window or door. Put the strips in place without removing the backing paper and mark the areas for trimming, where vertical and horizontal strips meet. Remove the backing off one end of the strip and press in place, peeling and pressing as you work towards the other end. And that should seal the deal. Your DIY tip of the week was brought to you by Coastal Hire. For other great DIY tips, find us on social media. And for all your equipment hire needs, visit coastalhire.co.za or visit your nearest Coastal Hire store. Serving all your equipment hire needs nationwide. Go Coastal!